I want to introduce you guys a robust forex scalping system, and it is not other than instant profit scalping and quad. It is a pure scalping forex trading strategy designed for the true scalpers. Simple yet genuine, instant profit scalping is one of my favorite scalping systems. Instant profit forex scalping system works in 5-minute and 15-minute time frames, but I do not recommend this system on the 1-minute time frame. As you are a scalper, be selective regarding the currency pairs. Cross pairs tend to have bigger spreads compared to majors. It certainly is a scalping system, but it is also a trend following system, which means you will be scalping along with the direction of the major trend. Bear in mind that you should trade only in the direction of the trend, not in the counter trend direction. When you are done with installing instant profit scalping system in your MetaTrader 4, instant trendline filter scalping is a forex strategy trend following based on indicators of trend as Goldminer and trendline filter. This strategy works good in trending market. Time frame 5 minutes or 15-min currency pairs all. Indicators instant trendline filter. Heikinashi DM Goldminer 2 SHI silver trend alert. Rules she_silver trend sig alert signal draws circles for us. Blue, bullish trend, buy red, bearish trend, sell Heikinashi, trends candles. Blue, there are a lot of bulls in trend red, there are a lot of bears instant trendline filter, trend confirmation, green and red line. It will be later about them. Master scalping is a method of trading for high frequency scalping that you can use also for trading with binary options high/low. Financial market. Any. Trading sessions. London and New York. Time frame 1 minute or 5 minutes. Expiry candles 5 to 10 candles. MetaTrader indicators: 1 super signal channel, super channel, Mobux, cross indicator, Heikinashi, Sahar, 1111. In sub windows stochastic oscillator, 5,3,3 high/low. THV4 RSI, Genesis Matrix 2.21, THW Trix MTF, MTF MACD and color. Rules: master scalping long entry: 1. Candle touch the bottom green channel line. 2. Arrow appears 3. Stochastic, goes above the oversold area 4. THV RSI, goes above the oversold area 5. Genesis, started change color from red to green 6. THV Trix, started change color from red to green 7. MACD_in color, starting cross from bottom to upward, green cross the red 8. MACD_in color, bar change color from red to green 9. If all rules above match, we look at the Heikinashi candles. If candle is white, we enter from the next candle for 5M. Short entry: 1. Candle touch the top green channel line. 2. Arrow appears 3. Stochastic, goes under the overbought area 4. THV RSI, goes under the overbought area 5. Genesis, started change color from green to red 6. THV Trix, started change color from green to red 7. MACD_in color, starting cross from bottom to upward, red cross the green 8. MACD_in color, bar change color from green to red 9. If all rules above match, we look at the Heikinashi candles. If candle is red, we enter. Today we are going to cover one of the most widely known, but misunderstood strategies, scalp trading, aka scalping. If you like entering and closing trades in a short period of time, then these strategies will definitely suit you best. We'll touch on the basics of how to scalp trade, then dive into specific trading examples. At the end, we'll cover more advanced scalp trading strategies and techniques that will help increase your odds of success. What does scalping mean in forex? Scalping in forex is a short-term strategy that aims to make profit out of tiny price movements. The best forex scalping strategies involve leverage trading. Using leverage in forex is a technique that enables traders to borrow capital from a broker in order to gain more exposure to the forex market, only using a small percentage of the full asset value as a deposit. This strategy magnifies profits, but it can also magnify losses if the market does not move in a favorable direction to the bet. Therefore, forex scalpers are required to keep a constant eye on the market for any changes. Forex price action scalping. Price action trading is a technique that works without an indicator. Instead, forex scalpers analyze elements of technical analysis, focusing on price only. This is observed through candlestick charts, using support and resistance levels and trend lines to decipher the same information that they would extract from a technical indicator. By conducting an in-depth analysis of price, traders can then make an informed decision based on trend continuations and will only scalp a trade if the target has the appropriate risk-reward ratio. Forex price action scalping ignores all elements of fundamental analysis in favor of a technical approach, and these types of traders do not take into account other external factors that could affect the price of a currency pair. For example, some key economic indicators that impact the price of foreign currencies include inflation, economic growth, supply and demand, trade status, interest rates and account balance. Forex scalping signals in volatile markets. Trading signals are generated by software or technical indicators in order to identify entry and exit points for a trade. In particular, Forex scalping signals are important, due to the speed of the trade. In the forex market, both long-term and short-term signal providers